how to do basic maths in Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do basic maths function like add, subtract, divide and multiply easily in your Excel sheet. Let's dive right in. You need to go to your Microsoft Excel and then make sure that the table with information is ready. Now I will start with adding. So I want to add the occurrence and the target. So I'll just go to a blank cell. Make sure that you have typed in equals to, otherwise the function will not work. After equals to, tap in the number and then put in plus and then tap in another cell with the number that you want to add and hit enter. There you go. You have the addition simply. Now let's subtract as always. Put equals to, put in the number, minus, and then the number again, hit enter. Now for multiplication equals to, select the number and then put in asterisk, select another number, and for division equals to the number and then slash and another number. So this is how it works. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.